Hi, Michael Gibson here. I want to thank you for allowing me or considering me to market your home. I thought it would be a good idea for me to actually show you how we are going to do that. Because really what it comes down to is we have to get as many eyeballs on your home as possible. And your question should be, how do we do that? So I thought it would be a great idea if I brought in our marketing director, Verinder, and Verinder will go through exactly how we market your home behind the scenes. I'd like to introduce you to Verinder.
Thank you, Michael, for the introduction. Guys, my name is Verinder Kant. I'm the marketing director of BC Condos and Homes. So let me go ahead and share you how we market your home. So allow me a moment. So right here, as I'm sharing my screen, as you can see, most buyers start their search online, whether they search for a listing address, whether they search for an area, whether they search for one-bedroom condos or one-bedroom homes, or a house with a basement. Everything starts online. And this is where we capture our audience. At BC Condos and Homes, we are usually on the first or second in the first three records on Google, depending on the type of search that you're doing. If you have come up with varies, we have over 1,200 building pages. We have floor plans. We have area listing pages. There's tons of pages. So we gather a lot of traffic. And once a user comes on our website, we are actually able to capture them using a sign-in method. So right now I'm here looking at Parkview Gardens, one of the buildings on our website. So we can see the sold history because I'm logged in, but people would actually have to log in to view certain this sold information. So who logs in? It's usually interested buyers or sellers. They're the ones that are willing to log in. And as soon as they log in, what happens is we track them. We have all of their contact information right here. So right now I'm here searching for Vancouver, or I can search for, I can just change this to Surrey. And as you can see, there's going to be a list of users. I can see who was 15 minutes ago, and they signed up 20 minutes ago with this email address. So we know exactly who's on our website, how long they are, and what they're looking for, because we can actually look at the cities, the areas that they're searching for, in addition to what their last property viewed or what the building that they viewed. And then I can also search for example, come back to Vancouver. I can search for any city that is that we are searching for, that we are there to market the listing. So let's just say you list with us. Our main goal is to make your property stand out. So once your property, how do we make your property stand out? What we do is we do a custom video shoot. Here is an example of a video that we've done for a recent townhouse, and I'm going to play the video and so that you can review it. Welcome to our new townhouse out in South Surrey. Andrew, can you tell us more?
Love to. So this is a 3-year-old end unit townhouse, 3-bedroom, just over 1,500 square feet, lots of upgrades. We'd love to show you around. So as soon as we come through the front door, we're immediately greeted with a spacious open den. Currently used as a recreation room.
And within this room, we also have our mechanical closet, which is located here with 2 double doors.
So we've got our furnace here. So the house is heated with forced air. We've got a tankless water heater.
And right behind these doors, the last door, this goes right to the garage, so you can get to your cars.
So entering the garage here, you can see that we got a spacious side-by-side double garage.
And we got an EV charger, a central vacuum, as well as finished floors.
So coming up to the main floor, we've got a large double coat closet. Proceeding into the kitchen, we've got a nice spacious pantry here, fully fitted, tons of storage. And then we're proceeding into the powder room.
And the powder room Actually has a really nice back paneling on it, along with a vessel sink and a really nice tall backsplash that is actually even with the counter.
So one of the features that I like about this townhouse is that there's a lot of...
All right, as you can see, this video is quite detailed. So not only we use drone, we use a lot of B-roll, and it's a 2-person shoot in most cases. And as you can see, there have been 449 views. And these numbers we are able to reach these numbers because we actually send the video out to selected audience that is looking in the area. That is the key difference why working with BC Condos and Home is important. We have the audience and targeted audience. You might come across agents that say, they're marketing on Instagram, on Twitter, on TikTok. Those are great platforms, but nobody's actually searching for a 3-bedroom townhouse, a 2-bedroom condo on TikTok or Instagram. Those are great videos that show the property. It just gets spread out to random. But where people are searching for is they're searching on realtor.ca. They're searching on our website. They're searching on rew.ca. So those are the websites where they're actually searching. All right, let me show you what it looks like on realtor.ca. So on realtor.ca, when somebody's looking at your property, the video shows right in there. So somebody can actually go ahead and play the video right within realtor.ca, or if they're on other websites, they're able to, real estate website, they would be able to look at the video. In addition, we also do a floor plan. Somebody can actually see the layout in detail. And the whole point here is to have them spend as much time as possible on your property. We are a real estate marketing company, because if we market your home, your property is going to sell. That's the whole point with marketing. We are not a listing agent. We actually market your property. Once you list with us, we send out an email to anybody that's looking in that area. Here's an example. This was a listing in Vancouver. We sent it out to anybody that was looking in that area, and it's not letting them know, hey, here's a listing. Hey, we're doing an open house. Come visit at the open house. 25,000 emails sent. Almost close to 4,000 people opened it. And out of that, if we could get 5, 10, 50, 100 people showing up at the open house, great. We got some leverage. At least we get some info. What do they think about the property? Anything that we want to improve? That's the whole goal, is to keep moving step by step rather than just list a property and wait for something to happen. So this is what is different with BC Condos and Homes and working with Michael and myself.
So you can see that we're not a listing company. We're a marketing company. We have spent a lot of money developing techniques and technology that is going to sell your home faster and for the highest dollar. Coupled with that, with my experience of being a realtor for 15 years in the greater Vancouver area, gives you a no-brainer in listing with us, so that we can market your home and tell a story about your home that is going to help the buyer understand and love your home and will buy it. Thank you for your time, and I hope to talk to you soon.